How to use coins to pay on AliExpress. I'm going to show you how you can use your AliExpress coins to save money on your purchases, quick and easy, no hassle. So first of all, open the AliExpress app on your phone. It'll take you straight to the main homepage. But before anything else, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in yet, just tap on the account icon at the bottom right, then hit sign in and enter your details. Once you're logged in, go back to the home page. At the top or under the My Account area, you'll see a button or tab labeled Coins. Go ahead and click on that. It'll take you to the Coin Center, where you can see how many coins you currently have. In this example, I've got 0, but let's collect some. Tap the Collect button. You'll instantly receive a small number of coins. You can come back daily to collect more and even play simple games or complete tasks to earn extra. Now scroll down on that same page and you'll see different items where coins can be used. Each product will mention something like extra 5% off with coins or display the number of coins needed for a discount. Now, let's say I want to buy this product that says extra 6% off. Click on the item, and if you have enough coins, AliExpress will automatically apply the discount at checkout. Just tap Buy Now, and the coin discount will be added right away. No need to do anything extra. The system automatically deducts coins if the seller supports it and if you've enabled it. Now, keep in mind, not all items accept coins. The discounts vary per seller and coins expire, so use them wisely. And that's it. That's how you use your AliExpress coins to get discounts while shopping. Make sure to collect them every day and check which products lets you redeem them for savings. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.